so the copper hydroxide solution, the bright blue stuff, and I'm trying to dye a piece of cloth with it. So the idea is it should be, if it's able to dye, then this little white linen should come out looking very blue. So I'm going to soak it very thoroughly in the solution, and then I'm going to leave it out in the sun to dry. And I will see how that comes out in about a day or two. So yeah, I'm just going to soak that now. Alright, so that's soaked for a little while. Now I'm just going to take this out. So it's quite blue right now, although it's probably not showing up very well on camera. And then I'm going to soak it over there on the ceramic, so I'll leave that to dry for a while. So yeah, we will see how this works out in a day, or 2, or 3. And in the meantime, I will put this solution of lapis lazuli looking goop away. Alright, so it's been 2 days. I'm back here. Oh, lighting's off, but you can see the actual cloth has been dyed sort of light blue, cyan type color. And it's actually in there quite nicely, so yeah, you can see that better. So yeah, it's a little bit of the crumbly stuff still on it, but you could scrape that right off and you'd have a light blue colored cloth. I don't know how well this would hold up in water, but I have a suspicion that it wouldn't do very well. So I'm just going to try and dip that in a little bit of water, see if that holds up. Alright, I have a little bit of water here, and now I have my blue dyed cloth. I'm just going to stick that right in there, see if anything comes out. If it's a good dye, the water should not really change color. If it's not very good, then the linen should completely lose its color and the water should totally change. The water's not changing color very much. So it's kind of going against my previous assumption. The cloth doesn't seem to be losing much of its material. Yeah, still blue. So yeah, I guess you could use this to dye something theoretically a light blue. Probably with a better process, I'm sure you could get it much nicer. But I'm going to try some later experiments with this. Maybe I'll dye a shirt in the future, or maybe we'll try something else with copper hydroxide, since it's just a cool substance.
Do they have chocolate in Syria, Sam?